In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure wall area in PlanSwift. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab up top, and then you want to click on where it says Linear over here and this arrow down. And then from here, you want to click on Metric Wall Area. This will open up a menu where you basically have to give it a name. I'm just going to leave it as Metric Wall Area, and then you can put in your wall heights, and then the number of wall sides, and then your wall width, okay? After you do that, you can click on the OK tab over here, and there we go. It's going to allow you to now go ahead and start. Now to do this, it's actually very simple. You have to start somewhere. So for example, if I start up here, I can just click on here, and then it's going to basically drag a pretty straight line over here, as you can see by default, and you can click on where to stop. There we go, like this, and then you can go ahead and start again, and then you can start again like this, and just keep on clicking. And if I show you over here on the left hand side, as you can see right about over here, it's where it's actually measuring this area. So if I go ahead and add something right now, watch on the left there, it's going to basically add it in over here, and if I keep on clicking, it's going to keep on adding. And when you basically come around, of course, you can be way more precise than I am over here. I'm just trying to show you how to actually achieve this easily, and when you're done, you can just basically click the escape key on your keyboard, and then here you can see basically your wall area on the left hand side. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.